How to set auto reply on Instagram. Here's how. First, open the Instagram app and click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Make sure your account is set to professional to access these settings. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Scroll down to how others can interact with you section and tap on the messages and story replies. Here select the message request and toggle the switch beside the allow access to message. This allows your Instagram account to set up automated responses. The Meta Business Suite app is necessary to set up auto replies for Instagram business account. So if you haven't downloaded, make sure to download it first from the Play Store. Furthermore, open the app. By default, it may show your Facebook account. Tap on the other login option. Then select login with Instagram to connect your Instagram account. Now select the Instagram account for which you want to set up an auto reply. Tap allow to grant the necessary permission. Likewise, click on the inbox icon at the bottom and select the three dot icon at the top right. Here select the automations. Moreover, choose the instant reply option and select your platform. Tap the pencil icon next to the message field. You can delete the default message and replace it with your own. Once you are happy with the auto reply message, hit the save option. Again tap on the save option. Now anyone who sends a message to your Instagram business account will automatically receive the reply you have set up. That's it. I hope this video helped.